Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at Ocean Casino in Atlantic City. This is a super suite, not just a suite, but a super suite. Walking into the room, see a Keurig machine, what appears to be a refrigerator, and some items for ice and drinks. Large table in the area just walking in, and you can see Atlantic City. See Borgata, Harrah's, and a lot of the city area, a lot of cars coming through, recording during the day. I just checked in around 4 o'clock, not yet nighttime, and see the beach. We'll get into that in a little bit. But first, back to the room. Very large couches, perhaps a sectional in this area, multiple coffee tables, and other seats in addition to the sectional and couch area. Very, very spacious, really nice of them to give me such a big room. A very large TV in this living room area, air conditioning on the wall, and some ocean art. Coming into the bedroom, king bed, nightstands on both sides with plugs in the lamp, large phone, some more art on the walls, a proper work desk, and another television in the bedroom area to plug devices, and another view of Atlantic City. See the beach, see the ocean outside Ocean Casino. Really cool view during the day. We are out of the cold weather. Now it's about 50 degrees outside. Not too bad compared to the 10 degrees recent. Walking into the bathroom, 2 sinks, large bathroom area, walk-in shower with shampoo and more on the wall. Looks like 3 nozzles. Inside you can see the 3 nozzles for the settings. Main shower head, another one above. Large area towards the back. Toilet in this area, separate bathtub. I did a tier matched my MGM Platinum status to Ocean Prime status. I got 2 complimentary nights and a recent email for a midweek suite upgrade. I took advantage of that offer to get the nicer room and come out here for a stay. 1 night in the suite and another night not guaranteed to be in the suite. I might have to check out and get a standard room. If so, you'll see a video on that. Get another view of Atlantic City. Here's Showboat. You can see the water slides or the water park down below. Some houses and looks to be a pool. Big parking lot outside of this building, perhaps office or another hotel. We see the Lighthouse. I think it's the Absecon Lighthouse. Flagship appears to be a hotel. And the Marina area with Borgata, Harrah's, some windmills in the back, and a bridge going over to another part of the city. Really cool to see the day view. I plan on also coming back and taking a night video before unpacking. But wow, what a room. Super sweet as promised, and I think delivered. Relatively newly renovated. It used to be Revel Casino, but they rebranded to Ocean 5, 6, maybe more years ago from recording here in 2026. Nice room in the suite, the super suite, and a good benefit of the Ocean Prime status with tier matching to get a nicer room like this. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Ocean, Atlantic City.